Now we are going to continue the examples in the exercise 6.4. The examples on the homogeneous differential equation, that is the solution of the homogeneous differential equation. In the previous two lectures, the 6 examples are done. Now the example number 7. Here x dy by dx minus y plus x into sin y by x. Okay. It is also in the homogeneous differential equation. Now here we put y by x. If here it is a x by y, then we put x by y and the differential equation in the form of the dx by dy. But here it is a y by x, because sin y by x, in the angle there are the two variables. Okay. These two variables we cannot be separated, so we put y by x is equal to v. In case here it is a x by y, then we put x by y is equal to phi, and we write the differential equation in the form of the dx by dy. But here it is a y by x, so we write dy by dx. Okay. Now the given differential equation, is, it is x dy by dx minus y plus x into sin of y by x is equal to 0. Now this differential equation we can write in the form of the dy by dx. Therefore it is a x dy by dx is equal to y minus x into sin of y by x is equal to 0, and therefore the dy by dx is equal to y minus x into sin of y by x upon x. It is a homogeneous differential equation. We take equation number 1. Now put y by x is equal to v. Therefore y is equal to x into v. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, here dy by differentiate with respect to x, here x into v. We use the rule u into v. First function as it is, derivative of the second, plus second as it is, and into derivative of x, it is 1. Therefore the equation 1 becomes dy by dx, it is a dy by dx, x dy by dx is equal to y it is a x phi minus sin phi, sorry, it is y x phi, and here x into sin phi, it is x into sin phi and whole to the upon, it is x. Here equation 1 becomes is this dy by dx, it is this y, it is x phi, and x sin y by x, it is v. Then we take x common and x get cancelled, it is a phi minus sin phi minus sin v, and here it is a plus v, it is plus v, dy by dx, x into dy by dx plus v. Now this plus v we can write in the RHS, that is a minus. Therefore x dv by x dv by dx is equal to phi minus sin v minus phi. Here it is x dv by dx plus phi minus sin v. This phi we can write in the minus. Then phi get cancelled. We get the differential equation x dv by dx is equal to minus sin phi, which is in the variable separable form. Now separate the variables. First separate the differential coefficients. Minus sin phi dx. Now take the all terms of the v with dv and take all terms of the x with dx. Therefore it is dv upon sin phi is equal to dx upon x, and is minus. Now variables are the separated, taking integral on both sides. Integral of 1 by sin v dv is equal to minus integral of 1 by x dx. Then integral of 1 by sine v, 1 by sine v we can write in the cosec v. It is a standard integral. Cosec v dv is equal to minus integral of 1 by x dx. Now the integral of cosec, it is a log of cosec phi minus cot phi is equal to minus log x and plus it is a log c. It is an integral constant. Okay. Now it is a log of cosec phi minus cot phi minus log x plus log c. We use the property of the logarithm. Log of cosec phi minus cot phi is equal to log of c by x. It is minus and it is plus. Removing log on both sides, then we get cosec phi minus cot phi is equal to c by x. Now here when we put the value of phi, that is the y by x, it is a general solution of the differential equation when we put phi is equal to y by x. But for the simplification here, cosec and cot we convert in the sine and cos. Cosec phi, it is 1 by sine v. Cot phi, it is a cos v upon sine v. Therefore cosec, it is a 1 by sine v minus cot v, it is a cos v upon sine v is equal to c by x. Then it is 1 minus cos v upon sine v is equal to c by x. Then we can write x into 1 minus cos phi is equal to c into sine v. Put the value of cos, it is v. X into 1 minus cos y by x is equal to c into sine y by x. And here is general solution of given differential equation. See carefully, x into 1 minus cos y by x is equal to c into sine y by x. Here when we put here y by x, it is also a general solution. Okay, we only the simplify this one cosec and cot. Another solution is when we use the 1 minus cos phi, it is a 2 sine square phi by 2, and we use the formula for the sine v, it is a 2 sine v by 2 into cos phi by 2. Then we get this, it is a tan v by 2. Here it is tan v by 2, and then it is a x into tan v by 2 is also solution. Our here our next solution, it is r. When we use here the formula for this, it is a 2 sine square phi by 2 upon sine v, it is 2 sine v by 2 into cos v by 2 is equal to c by x. Then 2 get cancelled, sine get cancelled. Here it is a tan v by 2. Tan v by 2 is equal to c by x. And then the last answer, we can write x here. Tan v by 2, v it is a y by x. Therefore y by 2x is equal to c is also general solution of this differential equation. For the board, it is sufficient. We put here y by x, phi is equal to y by x, or this solution or this solution. For the board, any one solution we get the full marks. But in the CET or objective questions, there will be only 1 out of 3 because all 3 are the correct answers. Okay. ऑप्शन मध्ये एक तर हे असेल किंवा हे असेल किंवा हे असेल, तिन्हीपैकी कोणतं तरी एक असणार. मग ऑप्शनमध्ये जे आहे त्याच्यानुसार कॅल्क्युलेशन करा. बोर्डासाठी इथपर्यंत सफिशियंट आहे. हे लिहिले तरी चांगले किंवा असं आन्सर काढले तरी चालते. बोर्डासाठी इथंच तुम्ही फीची किंमत ठेवून दिली तरी चालते, सफिशियंट आहे. ओके, नाव वी सी द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. The example number 8. 1 plus e raised to x by y. Now here, okay, see carefully this example. This example we have already done. It is 1 plus e raised to x by y dx plus e raised to y x by y 1 minus x by y dy is equal to 0. Okay, same examples. It is example number 3 in this exercise, that is exercise number 6.4. Example number 3 and this example number 8 are the same examples. Okay, here the third example, it is our first example in the last lecture. Okay, here we see the third example. See carefully this. It is 1 plus 2 into e raised to x by y plus 2 into e raised to x by y 1 minus x by y dy by dx. Okay, same example. Okay. Here या साईडला घ्या, इट इज dy बाय dx. इथे तुम्हाला एक स्टेप जास्तीच करावं लागणार. या साईडला घ्या आणि नंतर पुन्हा x या साईडला घ्या. ओके, दोन्ही एक्झाम्पल सेम आहेत, फक्त चेंज एवढा आहे, या ई सोबत एक कोइफिशियंट आलाय 2, हिअर 2, बाकी आन्सर सेम. ओके, तर मागच्या लेक्चरमधला फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल नंबर 3 इन एक्झरसाइज 6.4. तर लास्ट लेक्चरचा फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल केअरफुली पहा आणि त्याच्यानुसार हे 8 नंबरचं एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करा. ओके, आपण नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल घेऊ, एक्झाम्पल नंबर 9. Example number 9. Here y square minus x square dy by dx is equal to xy dy by dx. Okay, here clearly it is a homogeneous differential equation because there are the three terms y square and it is xy. The degree of all terms is same. It is a second degree homogeneous equation. And here dy by dx. In the second degree homogeneous equation, there are the derivatives. Therefore, it is a second degree homogeneous differential equation. Now, the given differential equation, y square minus x square dy by dx is equal to xy dy by dx. Then y square is equal to xy dy by dx plus it is x square dy by dx. This minus x square dy by dx we can write here. Now y square is equal to, take dy by dx common, xy plus x square dy by dx, and therefore the dy by dx is, it is y square upon xy plus x square. Here it is equation number 1. See carefully this. Dy by dx is equal to y square upon this, y square upon xy plus x square. It is homogeneous differential equation. So here we put y by x is equal to phi. Therefore phi is equal, it is y is equal to x into phi. Now differentiate with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to x into dv by dx plus phi. Okay, therefore equation 1 becomes, here it is equation number 1, dy by dx, it is x dv by dx plus phi. X dv by dx plus phi is equal to y square, it is x square phi square upon x into x phi, x into y it is a x phi plus x square, and then it is x square and this x square take common and get cancelled, we get phi square upon phi plus 1, phi square upon phi plus 1. Now this phi we can write in the RHS, take the minus, it is plus v, it is minus v. Therefore x dv by dx is equal to phi square upon phi plus 1 minus phi. Okay, now here it is a x dv by dx plus phi and phi square upon phi plus 1. This phi we can take in the minus. Now take the calculation. Therefore x dv by dx is equal to phi square minus phi square and minus phi upon phi plus 1. Therefore x dv by dx is equal to, it is phi square get cancelled, it is a minus phi upon phi plus 1. Now it is a differential equation in the variable phi and x, and it is in the variable separable form. First separate the differential coefficients. X dv is equal to minus phi upon phi plus 1 dx. Okay, now write the all terms of the phi with phi, and it is write all terms of the x with dx. Therefore it is phi plus 1 upon phi dv. Phi upon phi plus 1, we can write here phi plus 1 upon phi, and then it is minus 1 by x dx. Now variables are the separated. Now taking integral on both sides, integral of phi plus 1 upon phi dv is equal to minus integral of 1 by x dx. Now this denominator separate, it is phi upon phi, it is 1, plus 1 by phi, it is 1 by phi dv is equal to minus integral of 1 by x dx. Okay, now see carefully, integration of 1, it is a v, plus integration of 1 by v, it is a log v, is equal to minus log x plus c. Here we take the integral constant only c, because all integrals are not in the logarithm. It is log v, but it is v. Integral of 1, it is v. Therefore phi plus log v plus log x is equal to c. This log x we can write here. Then phi plus log of phi x is equal to c. Here use the property log v plus log x, it is log vx. Then put the value y by x, put the value of phi, y by x is equal to y by x plus log of y by x into x is equal to c. Then y by x plus log y is equal to c is the required solution of the differential equation. Okay, here it is a solution of differential equation. It is sufficient, but we also write in the form of multiply by x. Therefore it is a y plus x into log y is equal to x into c. It is sufficient. Y by x plus log y is equal to c. It is our solution of the differential equation. It is also the solution. Is a general solution. Is general solution of differential equation. Here it is a general solution. It is sufficient. Y by x plus log y is equal to c. But when we multiply by x, we get this. Okay, it is sufficient. It is also right. Okay. See carefully this. Now we see the next example. Next, example number 10. Solve the following differential equation. xy dy by dx is equal to x square plus 2y square when y of 1 is equal to 0. That means here we want to find the particular solution. Okay, particular solution of the differential equation. Now again it is in the homogeneous form. Given differential equation, it is xy dy by dx is equal to x square plus 2y square. Therefore we can write dy by dx is equal to x square plus 2y square upon xy. It is a differential equation in a homogeneous form. Okay, here homogeneous differential equation. Put y by x is equal to phi. Therefore y is equal to x into phi. Then differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to x into dv by dx plus phi into derivative of 1, that is x. Then equation 1 becomes dy by dx, it is x dv by dx plus phi is equal to x square plus 2y square, y square means x square phi square upon x into y, that is y is x phi. Okay, now it is x square and x square, take common and get cancel. We get x dv by dx plus phi is equal to 1 plus 2 phi square upon phi. Now x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus 2 phi square upon phi minus phi. This phi will be minus. Then 1 plus 2 phi square minus phi square upon phi, it is a subtraction. 1 plus 2 phi square minus phi square, and then we get x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus phi square upon phi. 1 plus phi square, it is a 2 phi square minus phi square. Then it is separate the differential coefficient 1 plus phi square upon phi dx. Now all terms of the phi we write with dv. Therefore phi upon 1 plus phi square dv is equal to 1 by x dx. Okay, now taking integral on both sides, phi upon 1 plus phi square dv is equal to integral of 1 by x dx. Now it is v upon 1 plus v square, linear function upon quadratic function. Therefore adjust the derivative of quadratic function in linear function. Derivative of 1 plus v square, it is a 2v. We can write here 2v. Okay. Therefore when we write 2v, it is a multiply by 1 by 2, because here only v. 1 plus v square dv is equal to integral of 1 by x dx. And now taking the integral, it is 1 by 2 as it is. F dash of phi upon f of phi with respect to phi, it is log of f of phi is equal to log x and plus log c. Now removing log on both sides, so this it is 1 by 2 multiple of log, take the power. Therefore using the property of logarithm, it is 1 plus phi square is equal to log of x into c, here property of logarithm. Now removing log on both sides, under root of 1 plus phi square is equal to x into c. See carefully this. Okay, now put the value of phi under root of 1 plus y square by x square is equal to x into c. See carefully this. Now take the addition. Therefore we get under root of x square plus y square upon x is equal to x into c. X square plus y square upon x square in under root. Take the outside of the under root, it is x, and then under root of x square plus y square is equal to x square c is a general solution of differential equation. But here we want to find the particular solution. Okay, when y of 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. Y of 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 0. Then under root of 1 square plus 0 square is equal to 1 square into c, and therefore c is equal to 1. Okay, and therefore the particular solution is, okay, here we write the particular solution under root x square plus y square is equal to x square, and the value of c, it is 1. It is a particular solution of the differential equation. Okay, or taking square on both sides. Okay, taking square on both sides, then x square plus y square is equal to x to the power 4. It is x square plus y square is equal to x to the power 4 is particular solution of the differential equation. See carefully this. It is a general solution and it is a particular solution of the differential equation, of this differential equation. Okay. Example number 11. X dy plus 2y dx is equal to 0 when y is equal to 2. Sorry, it is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Now again here it is a particular solution. First, it is a given differential equation x dy plus 2y dx is equal to 0. Therefore, x dy is equal to minus 2y dx. Now here we write the dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to minus 2y by x. It is equation number 1. Now put y by x is equal to v. Therefore y is equal to x into v. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to x into dv by dx plus v. Therefore equation 1 becomes, it is a dy by dx, x into dv by dx plus v is equal to minus 2y, y it is a xv upon x. This x get cancelled, it is a minus 2v. See carefully this. Therefore x dv by dx, this plus v, we take the minus, therefore it is a minus 3v. It is v minus and here it is minus 2v, therefore it is minus 3v. Now we solve this differential equation. Therefore x into dv is equal to minus 3v dx. Then separate the variable. It is 2v, it is 3v, or only v we can take in the RHS. Therefore here it is LHS. dv upon v, dv upon v is equal to minus 3 by x dx. The separated variables are the separated. Now take the integral. 1 by v dv is equal to minus 3 into 1 by x dx. Now take the integration. It is a log v is equal to minus 3 into log x plus log c. Then minus 3, here we will plus log v plus 3 into log x is equal to log c. Then log v plus log x cube is equal to log c. Then log v into x cube is equal to log c. Then removing log on both sides, therefore phi into x cube is equal to c. Then put the value of phi, therefore y by x into x cube is equal to c, and therefore x square into y is equal to c is general solution of differential equation. It is x square y is equal to c is the general solution. Now we want to find the particular solution when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, c is equal to, it is x square, that is a 2 square into 1, that means 4, and therefore the particular solution is x square y is equal to 4. It is a particular solution of the differential equation. X square y is equal to 4. It is a value of c. It is a particular solution. Now we see the next. Example number 12. X square dy by dx is equal to x square plus xy plus y square. Again here clearly it is a homogeneous differential equation. Here it is a x square, xy, and it is y square. There are the 4 terms, and in all terms the degree is the same. It is a 2, 2, here 2, and here it is a 2. Okay, therefore it is a homogeneous differential equation. Therefore given differential equation, it is x square dy by dx is equal to x square plus xy plus y square. Then dy by dx is equal to x square plus xy plus y square upon x square. It is equation number 1. It is given homogeneous differential equation. Put y by x is equal to phi. Therefore y is equal to x phi. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to x into dv by dx plus phi into 1. Then equation 1 becomes dy by dx, it is this, x dv by dx plus phi is equal to, see carefully this, it is x square plus x square, sorry, it is x into x phi, it is y, and y square, it is a x square phi square upon x square. And now here it is x dv by dx plus phi is equal to x square, take common, and in the denominator x square get cancelled, 1 plus phi plus phi square, and here it is v, we can take in the RHS, it is a plus v and it is v, get cancelled, we get x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus phi square. X dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square. This v and this v get cancelled. Then our differential equation is x dv is equal to 1 plus phi square dx then it is a 1 upon 1 plus v square dv is equal to 1 by x dx. The variables are the separated. Now taking integral, 1 by 1 plus v square dx is equal to integral of 1 by x dx. Now 1 by 1 plus v square with respect to phi. Okay. With respect to phi, and here it is a standard integral tan inverse of phi. Tan inverse of phi, and here it is a log x plus c. Now only put the value of phi. Tan inverse of y by x is equal to log x plus c is general solution of differential equation. Okay. See carefully this. Now the next, now the example number 13. Nine x plus 5y dy plus 5x plus 11y dx is equal to 0. Now the given differential equation, here 9x plus 5y dy plus 5x plus 11y dx is equal to 0. Therefore 9x plus 5y dy is equal to minus 5x plus 11y dx. Then we write the dy by dx. So it is a dy by dx is equal to minus, here this can be written minus 5x minus 11y upon 9x plus 5y. It is equation number 1, and now it is a homogeneous differential equation. Therefore put y by x is equal to phi. Therefore y is equal to phi x or x phi. Okay. Then differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to, first as it is derivative of second plus second as it is derivative of the first. Then equation 1 becomes dy by dx, it is a phi plus x dv by dx is equal to minus 5x and minus 11 phi x y upon 9x plus 5 phi x. Now this x take common and we take cancel, then we get phi plus x dv by dx is equal to minus 5 minus 11 phi upon 9 minus 5, sorry it is plus phi, 9 plus phi, x get cancelled, and therefore x into dv by dx is equal to minus 5 minus 11 phi upon 9 plus 5 phi minus phi. This phi will be minus, and then take the calculation. It is minus 5 minus 11 phi minus 9 phi and minus 5 phi square whole to the upon 9 plus 5 phi. Okay, carefully pa. Okay, now it is only the calculation. It is phi, we take the minus, then x dv by dx, it is minus 5 minus 11 phi, and it is a minus phi, therefore minus 9 phi, and it is minus 5 phi square, and upon 9 plus 5 phi. Okay. Now this can be written, it is x dv by dx is equal to, here it is minus 20. Okay. Minus 5 minus 20 phi minus 5 phi square upon 9 plus 5 phi. Okay, see carefully this. Now here we can write x dv is equal to, here minus 5 minus 20 and minus 5, we take minus 5 common, then it is 1 plus 4 phi plus phi square upon 9 plus 5 phi dx. Then separate the variables, it is a dv and dx. Okay, the terms of phi we write with dv, therefore it is a 9 plus 5 phi upon 1 plus 4 phi plus phi square. This we write phi square plus 4 phi and plus 1, only this term dv is equal to minus 5 by x dx. Okay, see carefully this. 9 plus 5 phi, it is phi square plus 4 phi plus 1 is this. Okay, it is a minus 5 and it is x and the upon. Now variables are the separated, taking integral on both sides. Upon phi square plus 4 phi plus 1 dv is equal to minus integral of, it is 5 upon x dx. See carefully this. Now here in the question there is a 15x. Here correction is this, it is a 15x, therefore it is a 15. Then here it is a 15, 15, here it is a 15, so it is a 15, and now again we take 5 common, then it is a 3, it is 3 and it is 3. Okay, here now it is a linear function upon quadratic function. Okay, 9 plus 5 v upon v square plus 4 v plus 3, linear function upon quadratic function. To solve this integral we have two methods. It is a linear function upon quadratic function, that means adjust the derivative of quadratic function in linear function, or the partial fraction, and the partial fraction is a simple way, it is a multiplication 3 and addition 4, the factors are 1 and 3. Okay, partial fraction, it is a easy method, therefore here it is a 5v plus 9 upon phi plus 1 and phi plus 3 dv is equal to minus 5 into integral of 1 by x dx. Here now we solve this by partial fraction. Okay, we find it is the 5 plus 5v plus 9 upon v plus 1 and v plus 3 is equal to a upon v plus 1 plus b upon v plus 3 by partial fraction, or directly we adjust these two linear factors in the numerator. Here the two linear factors are v plus 1 and v plus 3. Okay, but in the numerator there is a 5v plus 9. When we multiply this 2 and it is a 3, see carefully, when we multiply and taking the addition, it is a 2v and it is 3v, 2v plus 3v, it is 5v. Okay, we adjust only 2v plus 3v, it is 5v, but here 2 plus 9, it is 11, but it is not 11, it is a 9. So we replace these constants. Here we multiply by 3 and here we multiply by 2. It is a 2v, 3v plus 3 and 2v plus 6. 6 plus 3, it is 9, and 3v plus 2v, it is a 5v. That means we directly adjust. Okay, here we take the partial fraction or adjust the two linear factors in the numerator. Okay, partial fraction solve केलं तरी here a ची किंमत 3 येईल आणि b ची किंमत काय येणार 2. पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन न सॉल्व केल्यावर इथे डायरेक्टली तुम्ही, okay, ही ॲडजस्टमेंट डायरेक्टली येणार. पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शननं सॉल्व जरी केलं तरी तुम्हाला काय लिहिणार 5v + 9 अपॉन φ + 1 φ + 3 इज इक्वल टू a अपॉन φ + 1 + b अपॉन φ + 3 यानं सॉल्व करणार. देन 5v + 9 इज इक्वल टू a इंटू φ + 3 प्लस b इंटू φ + 1. ओके, एकदा हा ब्रॅकेट 0 करा, तुम्हाला b ची किंमत मिळणार. b इज इक्वल टू येईल 2 आणि a इज इक्वल टू येईल 3. ओके, डायरेक्टली येईल b इज इक्वल टू 2 अँड a इज इक्वल टू 3. वी डायरेक्ट ॲडजस्ट. देन हिअर 3 इंटू φ + 1 प्लस 2 इंटू φ + 3 अपॉन φ + 1 φ + 3. ओके, पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शननं सॉल्व केलं तरी चालतं आहे. तीच मेथड करेक्ट आहे, ही मेथडसुद्धा करेक्ट आहे, फक्त हे डायरेक्ट लिहायलो. ओके, नाव द कॅल्क्युलेशन ऑफ दिस टर्म इट इज 5v + 9, 3v + 2v इट इज 5v, 3 + 6 इट इज 9. नाव सेपरेट डिनोमिनेटर. देअरफॉर 3 इंटू φ + 1 अपॉन φ + 1 φ + 3 प्लस 2 इंटू φ + 3 φ + 1 φ + 3 dv is equal to 5 minus 5 into integral of 1 by x dx. And then last here φ + 1 get cancelled. Here it is a 3 upon φ + 3 plus φ + 3 φ + 3 cancel, 2 upon φ + 1 dv is equal to minus 5 into integral of 1 by x dx. Okay, see this. Now the integral of this, it is a 3 into log of φ + 3 plus 2 into log of φ + 1 is equal to minus 5 into log of x and plus constant, it is a log c. Okay. Here 3 log of φ + 3, 2 into log of φ + 1, minus 5 into log of x, and the last integral constant is also in the log. Then we use the property of logarithm. Therefore it is log of φ + 3 cube plus log of φ + 1 square is equal to, it is minus log x to the power 5 plus log c. Then log of φ + 3 cube into φ + 1 square is equal to log of c upon x to the power 5. Here x to the power 5, it is a minus, so c upon x to the power 5, removing log on both sides. Then we get φ + 3 cube φ + 1 square is equal to c upon x to the power 5. Put the value of phi. Therefore it is y by x plus 3 cube y by x plus 1 square is equal to c upon x to the power 5. See carefully this calculation. Then take the addition y plus 3x, okay, y plus 3x upon x. So y plus 3x cube upon x cube into y plus x square upon x square is equal to c upon x to the power 5. Then this x cube, x square, x to the power 5, x to the power 5 cancel. Our last answer, it is 3x plus 5, 3x plus y to the power 3 into x plus y to the power 2 is equal to c is general solution of differential equation. See carefully this 3x plus y cube into y plus x square is equal to c is a general solution of differential equation. Okay, see carefully, check all the calculation. Here we use directly adjust the two linear factors in the numerator. Here we use the partial fraction also, and when we use the partial fraction, it is a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. Okay, same way. Now the next, the example number 14. Now the example number 14 is same as the example number 12. Here example number 14 and example number 15. 15 is the same as the example number 2 in our exercise 6.4. Okay, in our lecture number 11. Okay, example number 15 is as it is the example number 2 in our lecture number 11, and the example number 14 is same as the example number 12 in this lecture. Okay, that two examples are for the homework. Okay, see carefully this answer.